As we all know, there are various means of communication. Today I am going to tell you about T. Do you know what that is? That is the Morse code. Samuel F.B. Morse invented the Morse code in year 1836 when he missed the death of his wife due to lack of communication. Morse code is a method of transmitting text information into a series of clicks on of tones and lines. Mostly the signals are made up of dots and dashes. This code was widely used by armies all over the world. The main advantages of using Morse code are: it is easy to use, it is cheap, it is wireless, it is highly secretive, and it has no interference at all. But at the same point, it has some disadvantages as well. Like, it is time consuming. We have to learn the code. The light code can be interrupted due to bad weather. That was all about the Morse code. Thank you.